United in marriage, the bond of love explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful intricacies of the English language. Today, we're exploring a very special phrase, united in marriage. This phrase is rich in meaning and significance, touching on aspects of love, commitment, and societal recognition. Let's unfold its layers together and understand why it's so powerful and meaningful in English-speaking cultures. United in marriage is a phrase that signifies the joining of two individuals into a partnership recognized legally, socially, and emotionally. To be united in marriage means more than just living together. It implies a voluntary commitment to support and be with one another through life's ups and downs. This unity is often celebrated in a wedding ceremony, which can vary widely in its traditions and customs across different cultures. Unity in marriage symbolizes the strength and bond that marriage brings to a relationship. It's about two people coming together, sharing their lives, and forming a new family unit. This unity is built on the foundations of love, respect, trust, and mutual understanding. It's a commitment to face the world together, making decisions together, and supporting each other's personal growth and dreams. In many cultures, being united in marriage has significant legal and social implications. Legally, it grants the couple rights and responsibilities related to property, inheritance, and decisions regarding health and welfare. Socially, it's a declaration of their commitment to each other, earning them a certain status and recognition in their community. This phrase captures the essence of marriage as an institution that transcends personal love, embedding it within a broader social and legal framework. The phrase, united in marriage, is a beautiful example of how language can convey deep emotions and complex social constructs in a few words. It encapsulates a universal concept, the joining of two lives, while allowing for a diversity of interpretations based on individual experiences and cultural backgrounds. This phrase, and others like it, enrich the English language, offering nuanced ways to talk about human relationships and the institutions that support them. We hope this exploration of the phrase, united in marriage, has given you insight into its depth and beauty. Marriage is a journey of unity, love, and commitment that is celebrated and recognized universally, yet experienced uniquely by each couple. Whether you're learning English as a new language or delving deeper into its cultural expressions, understanding phrases like this can help you appreciate the richness of its linguistic tapestry. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video. Keep learning, and see you soon!